Hey guys, it's Tracy. I had to go back to the Dollar Tree because I had to get some more of these flowers. And so, to my delight, I found some yellow sunflowers. Now, my Dollar Tree usually has the the ones that I showed you yesterday. They're more fall, but these are so pretty. So I had to get some of those. And then I got some of these orange sunflowers. And then these are like little burlap sunflowers. There's some different color of orange, like this, and then that orange, and then the red or the deep maroon, as well as these cute flowers. These are mums. I can never remember names of flowers too good. And then these are really pretty. It's just called Daisy. These right here. And then they had some Gerber daisies in the burlap. And then in the hydrangeas, they had the burlap, and then they had some orange. And then they also had these cute little picks that are, you can use for filler or just to make your project interesting no matter what you're doing. So they have like this deep yellow, and then this orange, and then that orange as well. So 3 different colors. So pretty. And then while I was there, I picked up for another project for 4th of July. I have a patriotic project that I was doing. I needed some more of these stones. You get a big old bag of those for $1. And then I like these wooden frames. Those are really pretty. So I'm going to think of a DIY to do with those. And then also they restocked on their shells. And I had a summer beach project that I wanted to do, and I couldn't find the shells the time when I was ready to do it. So I went ahead and picked up 4 of those little bags so that I would have them for next time when I want to do it. Anyway, so super excited. If you didn't watch my video yesterday that I uploaded, I will link to it here so that you can check it out. But these are different flowers that I found at the Dollar Tree. So I think I'm good for right now. So now I just need to get some projects done. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, because I'll be uploading often, and you don't want to miss anything. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.